Good morning, folks. Just wanted to send this out to you and a brief explanation of what each and every one of these are. I'm going to send you these forms here. The first one is an employer acceptance agreement, and basically it's just asking you for information about your company. If you agree to do the apprenticeship, what you would do is just declare an initial wage here and how that compares to everybody else, and that's not questioned, that's just factual. So if you're wanting to start them out at $8.50 an hour and you normally start them out at whatever you start out, that would be the two numbers that you would do there. And here, this can be as little as or as much as you want. So if they, part of this apprenticeship, if we expect it to last, and it can go up to 4 years, then incrementally you are required to raise their wages as long as they're, doing well in the apprenticeship. So that can be a quarter an hour or whatever you guys want to set. Again, this is your apprenticeship. You get to set those values. You see this is the only data that the Department of Labor wants is total workers employed, how many of them are female, how many of them are minority, and total apprentices. And of course, this would probably be the first for most of you. And just has some other data, and this is where we would sign as the sponsoring technical college here. And this is for the Office of Workforce Development Authority. So as far as any paperwork on your end, that, and let's have a look at this document here. This is one that we actually fill out, and it's just really based on that first document and some data codes that we use in college. And then the last one is where we apply for reimbursement. Now, to share a little bit of information about that for you, what we mean is there's a small amount of money that can either go to the company or to the student. And what we try to encourage companies to do is to allow that to go to the student to take up any slack that maybe Hope and Pill doesn't pay. And it's generally just a few $100s. And if you would agree to do that, that helps the students, pay for their education while they're working with you. So that's really all that's involved in those last two documents that I sent you, or showed you, I should say, are what we fill out. So really that first one is the only one you have to deal with. Where this can be helpful for you is as a recruitment process, and we don't mind helping you with that. We can, if a couple of you or one of you wants to do this, you can either recruit yourselves and run through the apprenticeship, or we can work with you to do that. We've done both of those. And the other thing you can do is become a way of getting some press to maybe hire other people under the same auspice of apprenticeship. So it is a way to particularly campaign and add additional workers, as I know most of you are generally looking for people here. So it's a good way to partner with the college, partner with the student, and particularly potentially get workers into your organization. So I just wanted to send you that to let you see just how brief this is. Again, for a federal program, it's very, very easy to get started with, and really after that, it's just a matter of occasionally raising the rates, and again, you get to set that. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much.